Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best one-step looper for jewelry making, the Beadsmith one-step looper. If you're into crafting jewelry, especially working with wire, this tool is designed to simplify your process, making loop creation faster, easier, and more consistent. The Beadsmith one-step looper is built with premium materials to ensure durability and long-lasting performance. It's engineered to handle a wide variety of wire types, including dead soft wire, half-hard wire, copper, brass, and craft wire, all ranging between 18 to 26 gauge. Whether you're working on earrings, charms, or delicate necklaces, this looper plier adapts to your needs with precision. What makes this tool truly stand out is its ability to create and trim consistent loops in one simple motion. The loop size it creates is exactly 2.25 millimeters, which is perfect for many jewelry designs requiring small, uniform loops. The tool features a cleverly designed hole in the upper jaw, allowing you to feed long wire lengths through with ease. This means no more fiddling with multiple steps or needing separate cutters and loopers. Using the Beadsmith one-step looper couldn't be simpler. Just slide your wire through the hole, hold it beneath the peg, and squeeze the handles. The tool simultaneously forms the loop and cuts the wire at the perfect length. This seamless process makes it highly efficient for beginners and experts alike, allowing you to speed up your jewelry making without sacrificing quality. Comfort is another key feature of this tool. It comes equipped with a spring-action handle designed to reduce hand fatigue during extended crafting sessions. The smooth and responsive squeeze action offers excellent control, helping you maintain precision across repetitive tasks, which is essential when making multiple pieces or intricate designs. This looper isn't just limited to one use, it's incredibly versatile. It supports the creation of eye pins, head pins, and various custom wire shapes, making it a valuable addition to your jewelry making toolkit. Its ergonomic design ensures it fits comfortably in your hand, although the handle size might feel a bit wide for those with smaller hands. Measuring 5 inches in length and weighing just over 3 ounces, the Beadsmith one-step looper is compact enough to be easily portable while still sturdy enough for serious crafting work. The bright yellow color adds a nice touch of visibility in your crafting space, so you won't easily misplace it. Overall, if you're looking to streamline your wire loop making process with a reliable, easy-to-use, and well-constructed tool, the Beadsmith one-step looper is an excellent choice. It combines functionality, comfort, and precision in one handy device, making jewelry crafting faster and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're passionate about jewelry making and want tools that truly make a difference, this one-step looper should definitely be on your list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and craft tool insights. See you next time.